Short-term investing, the quick path. Now, let's shift gears to short-term investing. Here, the focus is on shorter timeframes, often measured in days, weeks, or months. Short-term investing is like sprinting, and it's characterized by frequent buying and selling of assets. Benefits of short-term investing. Short-term investing comes with its own set of perks. You have the potential for quick profits. If you're good at reading the market and timing your moves, you can capitalize on short-term price swings. Plus, you can adapt to market changes rapidly. Risks of short-term investing. But, as with anything quick, there are risks too. Short-term investing can be stressful, and it often involves higher trading costs and taxes. It's not for the faint of heart, and it requires a lot of attention and research. The hybrid approach, finding your balance. So, what's the verdict? Long-term or short-term? It doesn't have to be all one way or the other. Many investors find a hybrid approach works best for them, where you have a core of long-term investments and a smaller part of your portfolio dedicated to short-term opportunities. Remember, your investment journey is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening exploration of long-term and short-term investing. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on investing on a dime. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click the Let's Get Started button on our website www.investingonadime.ca for your opportunity to receive up to $3,000 to start your investment journey courtesy of Wealthsimple.